Have you stretched today? Most people that I ask this question to are going to say no, or I haven't even thought about stretching for a long time, and they'll come in for a massage and be really tight. So, here are four different areas in your day that you can use to focus your stretching. So, one is first thing in the morning. So, as soon as we wake up, before we go get our morning coffee or brush our teeth, we're going to do a few stretches there. They're going to be a nice dynamic, flowy stretch. Before our exercise routine, we're going to come in just a few minutes early and get again that nice dynamic stretching in of the muscles you're going to be using during your exercise. Post exercise, we're going to set our timer on our phone for 5 minutes, and you'll be surprised how many long hold stretches that you can get through in 5 minutes. You can do the whole body. And post work, you're coming home, we're going to find a nice doorway to stretch our pecs in. We're going to use the wall and just get some nice movements in just to finish off our day. I believe that you can do it. Just 5 minutes a day. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I will see you on the next one.